Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. We all have grown up eating delicious, crunchy and tangy pickles. So today let's see how to make a chicken pickle. So first boil some water with some salt and add in boneless chicken pieces. Boil it for 2 minutes and take out the chicken pieces from the water. Now heat a pan and add some coconut oil and fry this boiled chicken pieces. Fry it till it becomes slightly golden shade and take it out. Now into another pan, add some mustard oil. Once the oil gets heated up, add some mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Then add in some fenugreek seeds. Saute it for some time. Now add in some crushed ginger and crushed garlic. Now instead of mustard oil, you can also use sesame oil and do the same process. Add in some red chili powder, salt, some Hing or asafoetida. Also add in 1/4 cup of vinegar. Mix everything really well. Then add in the fried chicken pieces and mix it. Now let it cook and boil for some time until everything is well roasted. I also added some fried curry leaves just for an extra flavor. Mix everything really well, and once it cools down completely, transfer that into a sterilized glass jar. You can store this up to 1 to 2 months in fridge. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.